theoretical aspect of music. And I kind of venture into the theoretical aspect of music inadvertently while studying linguistics, semantic ambiguity. You know, linguistics have many subfields. You have phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, pragmatics, applied linguistics, sociolinguistics, psycholinguistics, and the philosophical aspect of language. And while studying semantic ambiguity, I was studying things like figurative.
Parity. What is a correlation? This is one unprofessional video. Oh my god, I am like the worst person to discuss music. So, All Out of Love. Is that the name of the song? For clarification, please accept my apology. Temporary interruption. All Out of Love. Okay. Yeah, Air Supply, All Out of Love. So let's try this. Okay, so here we go.